Let me show you how to find all your recently watched videos on YouTube in just a few seconds. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. If you started a video and didn't finish it, or you want to rewatch something, YouTube automatically saves it in your watch history. To find it, tap your profile icon and go to Settings. Inside your YouTube account settings, look for History. Here, you'll see every video you've watched, including the most recent ones. Just tap any video to open and continue watching. If you want to remove a video from your history, tap the small X next to it. You can also clear your entire history or delete it by date range, such as today or all time. YouTube also lets you set auto-delete, so your watch history clears itself every few months. You can choose 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. You'll also see your interaction section, where you can find videos you liked or commented on, and remove them if you want. And that's how you find your recently watched videos on YouTube. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick guides.